that time of year again. Time to get the AU Falcon out for the end of year skid competition. Woo-wee. Here she is. Oh, it's hot in here. Look at that dash carpet. That is premium. Put that in there. Let's plug the battery in. Woo-wee. Should survive the battery. We'll check it's still got some oil in it. Oh yeah, mate. Oh. She purrs like a kitten. Right, we're going to do a bit of maintenance to it. Check the rear diff fluid, because I'm pretty sure it's been leaking. And change a whole lot of tyres. So everyone's got one set to do. And check the oil, change the oil. Don't think it's ever been changed. About 3 years solid. So we'll put some new limited juice in it and we are good to go. Right, the outside's clean. I think we better give the inside a bit of a scrub up and demold. Maybe a bit of a vacuum, a bit of weight reduction too. We've got the classic roof liner. That is sensational. Oh look, we've even got some V sunglasses in here. Brand spankers. That is where it's at. Dash clock is even on time, just an hour out for daylight saving. Right. Gosh, she is sensational. Thought I'd give you guys a quick rundown on how we do our tyre changes around here. 5-ton gantry, tow bar, and a strop. Hook around there like that. Oh, hang on, just bring it down some more. Just like that. And then up she goes. Glorious. Plenty of room for activities under there. And what I'm going to do also is pull out the AC core here, which I should have done ages ago, just so we can, when she comes in for a tyre change, we can just get the hose in there and squirt it straight on the radiator, and it will help with the fans sucking through a bit more fresh air, keep it cool. So just been for a drive down to Repco to pick up a bit of coolant and oil filter. That should keep it going for another year. Alright, and then we're just going to undo the drain plug, drain the oil, whip out the filter right here, slap a new one,